Time. So the car is off the ground. We're gonna spray paint some calipers today. Wheels are back on. I'm gonna go with yellow color. The color we chose. And it's called yellow. Fluorescent yellow. Let's get the wheels off. Right, so all the wheels are primer now. Nice and clean, everything's covered. Now we're gonna wait 15 minutes and then apply some paint. Beautiful. It's supposed to be yellow, but I think it's green.
It looks like green, yeah.
I don't know what happened there. We'll go with the flow.
I think we're gonna need 3 coats.
Yeah, to get it to yellow.
Pop air strike.
Good enough one coat.
Let's get it back.
Fuck. ADM.
That's gonna have yellow.
Let it dry now. Wow.
First look.
So that's 2 coats done. Still looks green. We'll do 1 more coat. Hopefully it turns yellow. It should be this color. I don't know how, but it's green.
Okay, 3rd coating done. The paint is very, very thin, so I think we're gonna need 1 more layer at least. They're kind of greenish yellow. It's strange, but I think it'll look pretty good with 4 coats. Okay, so the first coat of lacquer is gone on. First coat of clear coat. We decided to leave it at 3 coats of paint, so we'll see how that comes out. Second coat of lacquer is done.
Let's
see how it looks underneath.
Clean.
Okay.
Professional job right there.
There's a lot of overspray. Oh yeah, that is overspray there.
Shh. Nobody see that.
Okay. Doesn't look too bad. No, it's handbrakes up. Okay.
Look at the front.
Now let's see the front.
I think it's yellow. Damn. Sexy.
Okay, now let's spin the rotor.
No.
Let's see.
Oh, that's not the one. No, we can clean that. Some white spirit or something would clean that.
Yeah, that can be clean.
That's not.
Overspray. There's not much of it.
That's dust. What you talking about?
Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go see the other side. Okay, from afar it doesn't look too bad. What do you think?
Very good. I'm happy with it.
Hell yeah.
Not yellow, but kind of. Depends how you look at it.
If you want to see green, you'll see green. If you want to see yellow, you'll see yellow.
Show the wheels on and
Brake
we'll see.
rotors. Brake rotors can be cleaned off.
We can clean that.
Yeah, now just to wait for the lacquer to dry.
Back on BMX.
Wheels can go on. Back to BMX.
Another 10 minutes and we'll put the wheels on.
Yes, sir. Okay. Paint seems to be dry enough. Dry enough to put on the wheels. Nearly fell there.
We're gonna let it. Calipers to dry for another half an hour before we actually drive.
Yeah, I gotta do that.
Now, just wheels on.
Wheels on and then just let the car rest. Because currently it's on jack stands and it's not looking very safe.
Dangerous sock.
Oh.
No. There's the sockets.
Sock it on. Start wrenching. Most tedious job of the job, I guess. Don't get wheel studs unless you have a drill. Guess it gets old real quick. How you feel?
Huh?
How you feel?
Okay.
You wouldn't want to be here in these times when driving.
So all is done. Calipers looking clean as fuck. You can see that from so far away as well. Like.
Looks so good.
Mad.
Wow.
Damn.
So much better with the wheels on.
Yeah. I was thinking it might look shit, but fuck me, it looks
We were
good.
skeptical when the wheels were off.
That's it.
But wow.
Sick.
Wow. Okay. Time to drive it a bit. Let the suspension settle. Car's gonna lower itself. Very nice. It's looking real good. How does it feel?